in my bag. Ay, ay, ay. There's lot of color red. Aray ko, ano ba to? In my medical. There are lots of color red. So, that's the, ano, conventional units. Clinic chemistry test. Ito yung ano ito yung result na the doctor needs to read. I have a lot of color red. So, this color red is a warning, I think. Maybe this 3 color red is maybe I'm about to get pregnant. Oh, maybe the color red is the sign of the coming of my boyfriend.